Hello, welcome to the Grill Pro stream.
No,
Yes.
it's hello Wrecker Ralph. Welcome to Cooking with Bella and Paul. Welcome to our first episode. We're gonna teach you how to make.
Ceviche.
We're gonna teach you how to make the sauce for your scallops. So first, you're gonna need to chop some cucumber.
We're gonna need some
Garlic cloves.
some onion,
Red onion.
and some little
Peppers.
And we're using garlic, but
That's not garlic,
ginger.
but you don't like ginger, so you don't have to use it.
Yeah.
Okay? We have about
Like a cup.
half a cup of lemon juice. Make
Squeeze
sure
it.
don't
yourself.
buy the artificial stuff.
No.
Black pepper and
Salt.
Salt.
We're using black salt, but you can use salt.
you're also gonna need cilantro.
And we're gonna need also
So
some fish.
we are doing this ceviche with red snapper, but you're gonna be using your scallops. You can add shrimp if you want to. You can also add any type of fish.
And we can also use some avocado at the end.
Okay. One thing about your scallops, it's easier to cut them across while they're frozen versus if you deep freeze them and then try to cut them. Frozen, cut them across make out of each one, make 3 layers, and that's gonna be the easiest way. Another pro tip is for the
Seeds?
to get the seeds out of these serrano peppers. Cut them in half, use a spoon, open up the pepper, and pull the seeds out with your spoon. That will be the easiest way, and it's gonna keep those juices out of your hand because they could seep in there for a while. We are using about 10 serrano peppers. I would suggest for you to start with 5 to make your sauce, and once you're done with your sauce, if you think it's too weak, then you can add more peppers. So first, what you want to do, peppers goes into
The lemon juice. Or lime.
Then your clovers, your garlic
Garlics.
goes in there.
And
Then
cilantro.
the cilantro. Let's see if we can make the whole thing fit.
And it tastes better like that.
Do you know the English word for cilantro in Colorado?
No.
Coriander.
I never
And
Okay.
now
Now
you want to put some
pepper.
black pepper there. And this is the thing about Mexicans and recipes, Ralph. We don't have specific measures. We just kind of go with the
flow.
Go with the flow. I don't know, maybe un pizquito por ahí, un pizquito por allá. I don't know, probably like a teaspoon of pepper, and then un pizquito of salt.
Just a little.
Maybe like a teaspoon of salt.
Just a little pinch, because not too much, because then it'll get way too salty.
Yeah. And then
We're gonna put on the cap, and we're gonna put it to blend.
Hold on. The ginger.
It's not my fault.
Well, you're my assistant. You're supposed to remind
I'm
me.
your assistant. Okay.
Okay. So now we're gonna throw this on the blender, and we'll be right back.
Okay, we're back.
All right, we're back. Let's see how the sauce is.
I'll try it.
No, because we put a lot of pepper. I don't want you to get enchilada.
If it's too spicy, you try it first and then I'll try it.
Let's see. So the sauce smells great. Smell it.
Magnifico.
And it's hot.
Is it spicy?
Yep. One thing we're missing is more salt.
Okay. And that's why you don't put too much of something, because if
we're also
you need
gonna
something,
do-
you just add it.
We're also gonna do garlic salt.
Yeah, garlic salt is really salty. Oh, I know where it is.
Yeah, I don't even know where's my garlic salt.
Okay. Here's our garlic salt.
Okay, I'm gonna put some garlic salt in there, Ralph.
If you don't like some, you can just, you don't have to add it. Okay.
Okay,
So,
so back on the blender.
then we're gonna spin it.
So let's see.
I saw a cucumber.
Yeah, so
Okay. So,
vamos a ver. Oh yeah, much better. All right, so next, what you need is one of these bad boys.
ay, Papa.
So, I wasn't drinking, but it's your fault, Ralph. Salud. Okay, so next step, we're gonna.
I tried the sauce and it doesn't spicy.
Okay, so next
Okay,
step,
we're gonna
we
need
wanna
a
put a layer.
Tupperware.
We're gonna put a layer of the red onion.
And we're gonna need a Tupperware, anyone, but we're gonna use this big one,
And
especially for this.
fish.
Our fish,
We like our fish to cut into little cubes.
and then we're just gonna put it all over. And then, once it's all on there, all mixed up,
Okay.
then,
Make sure that everything is nice and clean.
and there's no dirty pieces.
No skin, no bloodline, no hairs,
Hairs, I have my hair up.
no
No, nothing that is bad for you. So,
no bones and needles.
yeah, so we just look through that before we take them off when we wash it because
Now-
it has stuff.
More pepper.
Yes, and you just wash me with all your tuna hands. Okay, we put pepper.
Más cerveza.
Not on there. Okay. Then we're gonna put some salt.
No. Then we're gonna
Then-
put the red onion.
Then we're gonna put more red onion.
Mhm.
Remember, we put it under too. So if you didn't do that, do that.
More red onion.
And then after the red
And
onion,
then you wanna put salt.
uh-huh,
More salt in the fish. Oh, you need more salt than that.
then that, like
Yeah,
that.
more. I'm not selling it to
Like
you.
that?
Yeah, like that.
Oh my God, that's a lot.
Okay. Now
Now we're gonna put.
we're gonna
some-
pour the sauce.
Sometimes we don't put it all over it.
I'm gonna put it all over, make sure everything's covered. There it is. We're gonna put the leftover of the onion. And you wanna make sure that the sauce goes on all the fish. So what we're gonna do now
We're
is
gonna
we're gonna mix it up.
Can I mix it?
Yeah, you can mix it. Okay?
Okay, now that it's all
So
mixed
it's
up.
all, everything is nice and covered.
Yes.
If you think the sauce is a little too rich, a little too thick, you can just put more lemon into it.
You can just squirt it.
But don't turn it into a limonada, Ralph. No limonadas.
No lemonades.
Okay? After that,
We're
what's
gonna
next?
put cucumbers.
All right. Isabella, make sure you make it into a plate.
I'm making it into the plate.
Okay.
Okay.
And mix it up.
Can I do it with my hands?
No. Just,
The seeds are in here. Okay. So
Alright.
we're just gonna mix it all up. And then after we mix
Here.
it up, we're going to let this cool, chill in the freezer for a little. I'm not in the
for a little.
We're gonna
So
let
we need to cover
chill.
it.
We're gonna cover it, and then we're gonna let this chill.
But first, let me show you how it's gonna look, Ralph.
Okay. So
So that's how it's supposed to look.
don't
With the
drop the
ceviche.
camera. And so this is gonna chill in the fridge for like an hour or two.
Nah, with 45 minutes to an hour.
Yes. Like an hour or a little bit before an hour.
Well, you get the idea, Ralph. I need to make some room. That's the recipe. Hopefully you'll make it soon, and I really hope that you like it.
Okay.
Laters. Bye. All right, Ralph. So about an hour later, we're gonna fix our tostada with a little bit of mayo. The tostada. Now we're gonna put some of the ceviche here. What do you think, Polito? You wanna have some? Ceviche. I always like to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper in my serving. And you wanna get a hold of this type of sauce. This is black habanero sauce. Just a little bit. Like to squeeze a little bit of lime in it. And that's it. Bon appetit, Polito. Bon appetit.